So how to connect Xbox controller to your Steam? First of all, go to your Steam, then you have to go to your setting, then you can see the controller panel. You have to go to your controller panel, and what is your control name actually. Suppose my controller is Xbox. Turn on your Xbox by clicking this icon, then connect with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or connect it with your cable. Then your Xbox is, that's mean it's connected with your PC. Let's go back to my PC again. Then you can see controller name is Xbox. So make sure you are enable Steam is Xbox controller, enable it, and now go back, then go to your library and open any game. Suppose you want to play this game, then press on this right button, then go to your property, then go to your controller, then use default setting, and Xbox enable general setting, make sure, and now you can play your game actually. So that's it, Steam. Hope it helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.